So let's find the equation of the tangent line to y equals 2 to the x cosine of x at x equals 1. Again, our point is just going to be that the x coordinate here is 1, and the y coordinate here will become from plugging 1 into our function, which will be 2 to the 1 times cosine of 1. My point is 1, 2 to the 1 cosine of 1. For the slope, I have to find my derivative. And this is a situation where it's important to remember that I do need product rule here. I need to break up the pieces, a and b, or b and c, or however you like to do it. I'm going to have my a prime is natural log of 2 times 2 to the x, and my b prime is negative sine of x. So it will be the case that f prime of x, which is a prime b plus ab prime, will be natural log of 2 times 2 to the x times cosine of x plus 2 to the x times negative sine of x. Now I'm not done. I still need to, I'm going to like to simplify this. I want to take this minus and pull it up here so that I have f prime of x is equal to natural log of 2 times 2 to the x cosine of x minus 2 to the x sine of x. You don't have to do that. It's not necessary, but I like it. I'm going to look and say, well, actually my slope, this is the slope in general for any x value. My particular x value is at x equals 1. So now I'm looking for f prime of 1, which will be natural log of 2 times 2 to the 1 cosine of 1 minus 2 to the 1 sine of 1. So this is my slope. And then plug in your x value. Now we're going to do what we did before. We're going to take these two pieces and plug them in. So I'm looking again at y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. So here I'll be looking at y minus 2 cosine of 1 is equal to, my slope really needs parentheses around it. So ln of 2 times 2 cosine of 1, and I've not given myself enough room here, so let's do y minus 2 cosine of 1 is equal to ln of 2 times 2 to the 1 cosine of 1 minus 2 to the 1 sine of 1. That whole thing is my slope times x minus 1. So if I could, I would squeeze this on the edge of this paper. And now the final thing I'd like to do is I'd like to add to both sides. So in this case, I'm going to add 2 cosine of 1 to both sides to get it in y equals form. So if I add 2 cosine of 1 to both sides, then this cancels and leaves me with y equals. It's the same steps as before. What makes it more complicated is that now my slope just became more complicated because I had to use product rule.